Explorer here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the headlight on your Ford E350, E250, 150, 450 Econoline van. They're pretty much all the same. This is a model 99 model, but this process will be usable for models, much earlier models, or I mean much later models, 2006 all the way 2011 possibly. But anyways, I'm going to be using the Cougar motor LED headlights. Really like these. I've had several of these. I put them in all my vehicles. Really like this brand. Very bright, very good headlights. I'm going to be replacing the headlight bulb here. So what we're going to do now is show you how to get the headlight out first, and then how to adapt the bulb to fit in here. Here we're going to need a pair of channel locks from our toolkit here. Okay, now it's time to take the headlight out. We're going to do that by lifting up on both these tabs, so using the pair of channel locks or a different pair of pliers. Bend backwards and lift up. Bend backwards and lift up. Now we got to work this out. It doesn't come out real smoothly, but just kind of work it a little bit. Top, there's one right here on the bottom. You kind of got to work at it. It comes out. Okay. Now that we've got the headlight out, we're going to go ahead and we can unscrew this counterclockwise. Just presses in there. Now we remove the housing. Now we got to get this little thing off here. If you can get your fingers in there and lift up on those while simultaneously pulling out on the plug at the same time, like that. Okay. Now we've take this ring off, and now it's time to put the new bulb in. Okay, so this is where the tricky part is. This new bulb has to have this ring on it. It won't go on this way, and it won't come in off from the back. You don't know how to do this. This part right here screws off. Unscrew this part right here. Now put your lock ring on, and now put this part back on. There's some little keying in there you're gonna have to line up on. There's some slots. It comes through like that, and then you tighten that back up. Now the ring's on there. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into here. Okay, that's plugged in. Put the new headlight into here. Make sure it's lined up and seated right. Put that in, and then lock the nut. Now you're good. Put the rest of your new LED light bulb back in the housing back here. Housing area. And put your headlight assembly back in. Line everything up. You got to get this all the way in. All the way in. And then press down, lock these into place. And that's how you do it. Pretty easy, not very complex at all. Well, there you have it. New LED light bulb installed in replace of the old light bulb. Much better light bulb. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Please remember, if you like my videos, please share them on social media. That helps my channel out. All the products you've seen used in the procedure of doing this are going to be below the video in the description area. Until next time, this is the Jungle Explorer signing out.